How hard are you willing to fight when the love you found is not meant to last? Because in this life, some good things never last.
Love, it is one of the greatest things on earth. Tormenting at times, yet rewarding if you fought for it well.
Love is not only a feeling. It is a battlefield, a struggle. It is more of a sacrifice.
Sabagay, hindi naman nakakain na Esperanza, malalaman pa ba nila? Tatanggalan din naman nila ng balala. Hindi nga, nakakapila ko.
Hey bro, hey, what's up? Come here. Have some drink. Nothing. You're going again with your rich girlfriend, right? Bro. You know what, my man? Don't be assuming. She won't marry you. Instead, she'll find another guy.
You're correct, man. Right.
Did you ever try to look at yourself on the mirror, my man? On.
No, you just shut. Excuse me, guys. Where you going?
Hey, I'm not yet finished.
My name is Anton.
Giant Flora.
Forever could never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do.
Flora and I are so good together.
That the weight has lifted. Love
We
has
enjoyed almost
surely
everything,
shifted my way.
even the things under the sun.
Staying every day.
This place is very wonderful. Feel it?
Yes, dear.
When I have saved enough, I promise I'll marry you here. Make that a moment that you'll never forget for the rest of your life.
Then I will be your most beautiful bride.
I love you, Flora.
I love you more. Dear, I gotta go. Mom must be looking for me. Let's just see again tomorrow.
Okay, keep safe.
Okay.
Let's pretend, baby, You've just met me, and I've never seen you before. I'll tell all my friends that I think you're staring, and you say the same to yours. And oh, we'll dance around it all night, and then I'll follow you outside and try to open up my mouth and nothing comes out right. And I wanna fall in love with you again. I don't have to try, it's so easy. Who needs to pretend? But because it's so funny, let's just think about it, honey. Let's just fall in love again. I'll call you in 2 days. Too soon, not too late.
Something bothering you?
Just the boys on the street.
What's with them?
They say the feeling and nothing together. If you find someone else better than me.
That's not true. If there's one person I want to be with every day of my life, it will always be you.
Han, I don't think it's a good idea.
In this house, you do whatever I say.
But how about Lauren? She's grown up now. Even having careers of her own. Don't you think it will break our daughter's heart?
It's for your own good. Mark is a good man. In fact, it's on her Don Manola's farm.
But Damian,
In 2 weeks' time, his parents will become here to arrange the wedding,
no, I disagree.
whether you like it or not.
Oh.
What is it, Mom? Dad?
You heard it right.
No.
Don't worry, baby. Everything's gonna be alright.
Of course, yes, my dear. From now on, you stop seeing that good-for-nothing guy and fix this marriage with Marcos.
But Dad,
If you want Tonyo alive, you'll do as I say. You know me. Tomorrow we will going to meet my compadre, and we will fix the marriage right away.
but Dad, I'm in love with someone else. This is my life, and I am no longer a child.
Stop this nonsense. Do what I say, or else I will put that bastard to jail. You mark my word.
Hello? I'm afraid they will take us apart. Father wants me to marry Marcos. He's compadre's son. I want to go with you. Meet me at the park tomorrow.
I know you're afraid, but I don't think it's good if you will run away. You should talk to them. I know they will understand.
After that day, Flora disappeared. She didn't even call, not even once. It makes me wanna regret the day that I declined her idea of running away. If only I could be given the chance. I'd be willing to go to hell and back just to see her. dear Flora, please say that you are not gone. Not today. Nor tomorrow. Not forever.
Laura, I knew you will come. Why did it take too long? I've always been here waiting for you.
Sorry. I love you, but we can never be.
Laura, but why?
Para always.
Laura! Laura!
It's 3 in the morning. You're nowhere in sight, and all that I wanted was to be with you tonight. I've watched love get closer and then fade away. I've seen you believe in me. I've seen you trying to stay. But what good is holding on when you know that all you can think about is letting go? They say if you love someone, then set them free. If they come back again, then in the end, it was meant to be. I thought we were lovers. I thought we were friends. I guess when reality steps in, the dreaming ends. We live for the future. We learn from the past. No matter how hard we try, some good things never last. All you can think about is letting go. Be true to yourself, my love. That's all I ever wanted you to be. Just don't forget to smile when you think of me. the future. We will learn from the past, no matter how hard we try. Some good things never last. Why can't they last?
This is life's simple facts. There can never be any relationship that can claim immunity from failure. People are sometimes torn apart by forces beyond their control. Many of us make promises that we could not even keep. We vow to love someone forever only to find out that in the end, we're not meant to be. Many of us who have been left alone by someone we dearly love still wallow in self-pity and incessantly ask ourselves where we went wrong. We waste our time searching for answers that may never be revealed to us. Why can't we just accept that love doesn't give us the license to own a person? That love doesn't guarantee permanence. There are times when we just have to let go of someone who means the world to us, not because we want to, but because it is the right thing to do. This is what love is all about. It is all about sacrifice. It is all about learning. It is all about accepting everything without holding anything back or throwing anything away. The end of love is not the end of life. It should be the beginning of understanding that love lives for a reason. Love lives with a lesson, and it's only when we learn from it that we are able to earn the wisdom and the courage to move on and find love again.